Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a super simple eyeshadow look using just a highlighter and a bronzer, a eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. Yes, my hair is getting lighter. If you have been on my channel for a while here with me, you know that my hair doesn't really stay one color for too long. Whenever I need like a dopamine, serotonin, good feeling rush, I will change my hair and just decide that night it needs to be changed. So I started adding some highlights, some face framing highlights, maybe kind of doing more of the money pieces in the front, and I'm sure eventually I'll just keep adding more and more blonde, but I really like the tone that it is now. So yeah, that is my new hair. But if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. I'm creating another deep set eye eyeshadow tutorial for us. I love creating these just to give you guys another easy way to do your eyeshadow. Definitely find as I'm aging that less is more. I feel better when I have less makeup on, less eyeshadow. Not that I don't like to go all out sometimes. I will always love to do that until I am 99 years old. There will be days where I just want to do a full glam, but on the daily, I just like to do a little bit less. So I'm going to do a really simple look for you guys to recreate. All you'll need is your favorite bronzer. I'm going to use Bahama Mama. It is the perfect neutral eyeshadow. And yeah, that's what you want, like a neutral bronze eyeshadow matte bronzer. So I'm just gonna start putting it all over the lid in circular motions. I'm just gonna go everywhere. This is kind of like, you know how we were trying the bronzer underneath the eye to cancel out the cool tones? I'm feeling like we can do that with eyeshadow as well. Just cancel out the cool tones with a warmer neutral bronzer. I'm just going all over the lid. I'm even kind of going into the inner corner too. I'm going to start off by doing the bronzer, and then I'm going to kind of go in the inner eye with a little bit of concealer. So just all over, up on the brow bone. I'm just going to take a little bit of my Wet n Wild concealer, the Photo Focus in the shade Light Medium, and just going to go in the inner corner here. This is some area of the eye that I want to brighten up. Kind of just in that inner part that gets really dark and has the most cool tones. So just right in there. Now I want you to take your favorite highlighter. I'm going to use Becca's Opal. This is a nice warm champagne undertone to it. And we are just going to highlight the parts of the eyes that we want to pop. So I'm just going to take this brush just a little bit more dense and dome-like, and I'm going to just start by applying that in the middle of the eye. So you could definitely use a foiled color from an eyeshadow palette, but if you just want to use whatever you have, by all means, use your favorite highlighter. Now I'm going to take a little bit of highlighter and I'm going to go right in the middle of my brow. So not anywhere in here, not on the outer part. I'm just going to kind of follow along that center part of the eye. That's just going to make the eye kind of pop open a little bit more. The brows are going to be lifted. That's where I want the lift. I really like adding some tone right here, some depth. Just going in with whatever bronzer is left on there. Right at the front of my brow, I really like adding a little bit more depth right there. Now we're going to go in the inner corner area. with the highlighter. And these are the places that are going to make our deep set eyes pop. The middle of the lid, the inner corner, and then right in the middle under the brow. Now I'm going to go back in again with my bronzer and just my Mud 800 brush, and I'm going to go underneath the eye, on the lower lash line, you can even kind of just press a little bit of the bronzer right on the outer corner. All right, so I just tightlined my top part of my eye. If you wanted to go a little bit more dramatic, you could do the lower waterline and just kind of buff that out a little bit more into the bronzer that we have underneath the eyeshadow. But this is the final look. So easy, so simple, just a way to enhance our deep set eyes, highlight the best features about them, and just make our eyes pop. Don't even need an eyeshadow palette, just your favorite bronzer and your favorite highlighter to create this eyeshadow look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.